So I ran across this video by Sadora Paris on how to do like fake feed-in braids with the crochet method. I don't know, but I'm trying it and we'll see what happens. So I'm basically following exactly what she said. I parted my hair in these different sections. It's important that you have enough on each side and a little bit in the back and enough in the front to fully cover whatever crochet braid you will make, because basically we're going to crochet the hair along this braid and then cover it up with our own hair kind of interwoven in there. So you'll take your crochet needle thingy bobber, and then you'll take a pack of hair. I only use one pack of hair. It's just some hair I had in the closet because I was not about to go to the store just to try this out. So you are just going to take your crochet needle and your hair and crochet hair along that braid till you reach the back. So like I said, you're just going to crochet chunks of that braiding hair down that cornrow that you made in the middle. I'm kind of trash at crochet everything, and this hair is the opposite of tangle free, okay? I'm not good at this, but we gonna see what happens. So you just continue doing that down that whole braid, taking pieces and adding to it. What I didn't really make each chunk that much bigger than the next like you would with a feed-in braid. Maybe slightly bigger, but not really. And so I just kept doing this same thing over and over and over. And as you can see, like I said, I'm not that good at crocheting. If you're better, this won't take you nearly as long. And let me tell y'all something. When I say braiding hair matters, I really, really mean it. This stuff was tangling up on me every 2 seconds. I feel like I spent most of this time just detangling this mess. Please get some that won't tangle that much. This was like some 99-cent stuff from up the street and I'm over it. So after much time and turmoil, I finally finished, and fighting this stupid hair off of me. I hate when the hair is on me like that, them strands. I finally finished, and I was going to go through and tighten up those knots, but to be honest, I was like, it don't even matter. I'm about to braid right over it, so what's the point? I really don't know. So now I just took down the hair that's supposed to be the cover up. I guess you can call it the leave out. And I'm just taking some of my Eco Styler gel to kind of add a little bit of moisture to my hair and obviously some hold. So I'm taking a little time to re-moisturize this bird's nest that's on top of my head, as you can see. Just a little bit so I can get a solid braid. So after moisturizing it, I just take my hairbrush and I smooth it out on all those sides, kind of going towards the middle in the direction in which my braid will be, to smooth that out some. And then I just begin cornrowing like I would normally do 2 big cornrows. And for real, y'all, you really just braid it like you would normally braid. And you would just make sure you go right over that middle braid where all the hair is crocheted. And that is for real. It was not hard to braid over that and make sure all the hair got in there at all. So as you can see, I also was struggling with making sure all my hair was in it. This is when I feel defeated. But the show must go on. You see, I'm mumbling to myself because I wasn't that happy about it. So after taking about 50 million years to braid this braided hair all the way to the end, I finally get to look at what it must look like. So here's the finished product. I probably could have braided it neater. But it's a solid alternative to a feed-in braid, to be honest. But this took longer than I thought it would. And I think she added more hair than what I did. Would I do it again? Probably not. This is me contemplating whether or not I'm even going to do the other braid. Really, I was just trying to see if it worked. So I'm not going to do the other braid, but I'm going to take pictures on Instagram as if I did. But I hope this helps. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. And follow me on IG.